Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is everything under the sun. Everything under the sun means that everything you can think of. It's a way to talk about a big amount or a wide range of things. So here are some examples so that you have a better idea of what it means. I've tried every diet under the sun, but nothing works. This means I've tried many different diets. They sell everything under the sun at the market. This means that market has a huge variety of things. He asked me every question under the sun during the interview. This means he asked many different questions. So this is a very common phrase that we still use in everyday English. You will definitely hear it in movies, documentaries, news, broadcasts, and I'm sure if you are speaking in English every day, you will hear it. So give it a try. It's a really nice phrase that can be used professionally. It can be used with friends. And tell me your success. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. We love having you.